Okay guys, just open your settings application and select connected devices, then select continue on other devices. This feature is Samsung ecosystems, and you can use your recent application copy and paste method, easily transfer your files and also Wi-Fi networks on other settings from any of your Samsung devices. So there is one thing that you must log in the same Samsung account on your multiple Samsung devices, like a mobile phone, laptop, Samsung Pad, or Samsung any other devices. So it's very useful feature. It is based on Samsung ecosystem. So you can simply turn on this feature from here. You can just tap on this button. You turn on this feature. That's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.